Welcome back to my channel. This is Choices by Kim. Today is a beautiful day on the outside. Even though it is a bit overcast, today I am going on a nature tour, and this nature tour is the tour of the Caroni Swamp and Bird Sanctuary. This is one of the biggest wetlands in Trinidad and Tobago. So if you love nature, if you love outdoor activities, this is the tour for you. Before I get into the video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and watch the videos to the end. And most importantly, please don't forget to watch the ads. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome. Let's go! Caroni Bird Sanctuary, here I comes.
Needed someone who wasn't getting over you. When I move to the side, when I move, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, cause you know it's a season. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move when I get so tired of making me take a night, predicting it's all that I'll do cause of you. I let you show, don't let you in on my life. I tell you the things that you need to know. I know you like that, I know you need that. The way you're moving your body, don't need your feedback. I know it makes sense, don't know I play pretend. I guess I see it.
You ready? All right. Tip and,
Oh my gosh, you're adorable.
like yourself.
Cute. There's a few of the pictures.
What's your condition of the water now?
Funny.
The water real black, you know. Huh?
Fish
Yeah, you got fish in it.
and shark.
Nah, you got no shark. Shark can come up in the dirty water. Okay, please. Stop complete. If it rains, over now. You want some water? You want some water?
Yeah. Oh, I thought it was water to drink.
You see all that water rippling so? Come, keep holding.
Oh,
You see that water rippling so?
oh. At the front here?
Yeah, there is a
That
fish.
flower is called Bird of Paradise here, right here. It's high nectar, you hummingbirds feed on them. That's a natural flower and nobody planted it. That grew for itself.
Okay.
Yeah, that yellow flower. Come on. Can I break?
This one?
Yeah, when you saw what belly in there,
Do fish in here?
high up in the big creek.
Oh, so we're going there?
Yeah.
Okay.
We ain't reached yet. This is just the moment.
This concrete structure used to be a sluice gate.
A what? Sluice gate.
What?
A sluice gate.
Well, I lost.
I should block water from one side to the next side.
Oh, no, you make some sense.
But it's not sluicing anymore.
So what is it doing now?
They call it
You put a hand down.
What's me?
There's a snake over here.
Stop it.
I'm telling you. It does. Them going on the next door too.
So it's two different set of tours.
Yeah.
The building is a park office.
Okay.
Park up and waiting.
We're waiting to go on tour. Is it always in on something?
What you going?
They had spent that day in the
Maybe. We didn't come here. We went to the
balcony.
And you see no park? I just see there.
Yeah, people park out there. Also people park there.
Man, see that park too. Oh, you see park we can.
Exactly. Very nice. I like it.
Right?
Yeah. It's super nice. And the water. So you go all the way down there too.
Yeah.
Oh, so people used to walk on the bridge and come down here.
I don't know. Your guess is good as mine.
So what the tour guide doing? He's supposed to be explaining. Right, I think I'll break the break down.
Hello? So you're looking for something over there? I see. Well, I see the park.
Okay, so I stop to tell you all about the area before we go on.
There's rain coming.
The area we're in right now, here is called Grade Number 9. The whole area is Caroni Swamp. Caroni Swamp is a land depression south of the Northern Rain Mountains. Here is approximately 40 square miles and the area is tidal. The difference between high and low tide is about 3 feet. You have a high rising tide. The trees are all mangrove trees and these are the dominant species. As you can see right around, these are the roots.
That the roots
Roots
just
start
go
from the
down.
top, come
There's
down,
the root.
stick into the mud.
That
Right for breathing,
that
feeding,
long
and
thing.
finish it.
Just go straight down in the water.
At the center. Take it right there. Plastic, you know, right, sir. Alright. They had a more than let's have a thing to set up.
Okay.
You want to get plastic down?
Okay.
Alright, now what are you talking about? Listen, them fellas are innovative, but somebody else tell me and me.
Exactly.
I don't know because they're going to storm with this stuff.
The man said the people in the middle turn.
Yeah, but there you go. Open it to the Did you just see that? Baby breaks in from the sun. I don't know, she's a white person. And excuse me, we have fair skin color people on the boat.
Oh, it's big, man.
What are you doing?
Doing the mangrove. So how big it is.
Real big.
Wow, really big, man.
See, all like mangrove and watch.
Yeah.
And all they protected it. When I say protected, it's a pecado not to.
So people who come here and do their tour and so they give money to the government?
No, I don't know if the tour just paid to the government.
We're back on next side, but just come here to see Alimori Swamp and we're going to see the birds.
No, it's on the highway,
Going back in the swamp, the one flying across it.
but this is
branches and so. But they didn't use good quality wood and it rot out and fall down. Okay, what we got up here is a snake, a nice boa, a nice big one. Yeah. Right up on the tree.
Come snake, baby, snake. You go below and pull the branch, you might get closer. Go in or go in?
With the water moving heavy.
Yeah. And they are all gonna. You begin to know what? Use your zoom.
Crocodile.
To my left on the tree here to the left.
Rain coming back. Let's get back again for me to sweat.
You see them?
Yeah.
Rain cannot go on. You can fold it clean and keep it in the middle, right up in the middle. Fold it clean in the middle and leave it right there. If the rain come back, you get it. Don't send it back. Just fold it.
Hold it in the middle, people. In the middle.
Tell them don't send it back.
So whoever in the middle is.
If the rain, rest it down in the middle. If the rain come back, you have it right.
When the rain don't gone.
It's on for now.
Now when you go in front, them, the umbrellas, the branch of them lower, so you have to watch. Overhead in front. Straight ahead. In front. Move out the umbrellas, please. You see?
Yeah. You seen it?
They're gone.
But we see plenty more in a while, eh?
We are now at the bird sanctuary or bird nesting.
During the day, they go and feed all over the swamp. They look on your right side too, eh?
You see the flying in
They
there?
come back areas like this and stay the night.
You see?
They sleep here whole night. Next morning, as the sun come out, they go again. Oh, brethren.
This is what I tell you, the man tell you.
Now it have several fish like this that they do come and stay the night. And they come from different directions because they go different side to feed on the crab and shrimps and fishes all this. Yeah. Nesting time is April to October.
Yeah.
It is raining again.
The birds are gone.
No, the birds over there.
Oh, we're going closer to them.
No, we're going away from them.
I thought he was going over there.
You can't.
Why?
It protected them. Go there now, the angel will scare them. You understand?
Oh, so that is why I cannot go closer.
Yeah, they're going on. Right now, what they're doing is they're going on nets. They're going for the night. You understand?
So if the boat go over there, they will fly away.
Yes.
But they will come back?
No, they'll scare them. That's why they nest in there. But if they were their nest, they're not going to fly until tomorrow.
When they fly away, where would they go?
They just go and feed and stuff like that.
No, like no. If the boat go over there and they fly away.
I don't know, they fly go somewhere else, but this one particular island, there's plenty on a nest. If you watch it, you will see. If you watch everywhere else.
So what is the name of that island?
It have no name.
Everything has a name.
Alright.
Scarlet Ibis Island.
You get the name, Scarlet Ibis Island.
Okay.
I just named it.
Okay.
Was there when needed someone? Was
It's time to go home.